If you're rocking a septic tank and thinking about using a garbage disposal, you gotta know it's not just a casual add-on. It actually messes with your system more than you might expect. So here's the deal. When you use a garbage disposal, it shreds food waste into tiny bits that head straight into your septic tank. This means your tank ends up with way more solid waste than it normally would, which can clog things up faster. To keep your septic system happy, try to limit what goes down the disposal, like no fibrous stuff, coffee grounds, or grease, because they're tough to break down. Also, run plenty of cold water while using the disposal to help wash everything down smoothly. If you can, compost your food scraps instead of dumping them in the sink. It really cuts down on the load. Keep an eye on how often you need to pump your tank, because garbage disposals speed up that schedule. And lastly, think about getting a professional inspection every now and then to make sure everything is working right and avoid surprises. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garbage disposals and septic tanks is thinking all food scraps are safe to grind up. Spoiler, they are not. Too much solid waste ends up causing blockages or even system failure, so chill on what you throw in there. Another common problem is not running enough water during and after disposal use, which can leave chunks stuck in the pipes or tank. Just keep that water flowing. Lastly, ignoring regular septic tank pumping is a huge no-no because the extra solids from disposals fill the tank way faster than usual. Staying on top of pumping helps prevent costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about septic systems and home upgrades. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get new clients without all the hassle of marketing yourself solo.